In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Amazon Music on iPhone. We'll walk through the main features of the app so you can start listening quickly and get the most out of your music experience. Whether you're brand new to Amazon Music or just want a better understanding of how everything works on iPhone, this guide will help you feel comfortable navigating the app. First, open the Amazon Music app on your iPhone and sign in with your Amazon account. Once you're logged in, the app will automatically recognize any eligible subscription benefits connected to your account, including Amazon Prime or Amazon Music Unlimited. That means if your plan includes extra listening features, they should be available right away without any additional setup. After signing in, take a moment to get familiar with the tabs at the bottom of the app. The Home tab is where you'll usually see personalized recommendations based on your listening habits. The Find or Search tab lets you look up songs, artists, albums, and podcasts directly. The Library tab is where you'll access your saved music, playlists, and other content you've added over time. Knowing what each section does makes the app much easier to use day to day. When you're ready to listen, tap any song, album, playlist, or station to start playback. On the player screen, you'll have access to the main playback controls. You can play or pause your music, skip tracks, turn shuffle on if you want a more mixed listening experience, and use repeat to replay a song or keep a playlist going. These controls are straightforward, but they're important to know so you can customize how you listen. If you want to organize your music, go to Library and open Playlists. From there, you can create a new playlist and add songs to it. This is useful for workouts, commuting, relaxing, or any mood you want to build a collection around. In some cases, Amazon Music also allows playlist importing from certain other music services, which can save time if you already have playlists elsewhere. For offline listening, open a song, album, or playlist and tap the download button, as long as your plan supports downloads. This lets you listen later without an internet connection, which is especially helpful during travel or in places with weak signal. It's a good idea to use Wi-Fi when downloading large playlists and make sure your offline music is downloaded before you leave home. You can also use Alexa within Amazon Music by opening the app and tapping the Alexa button if it's available. Then simply use voice commands to ask for songs, artists, albums, or playlists. Finally, if you want to hear your music on a bigger setup, you can cast Amazon Music to compatible speakers, TVs, or other devices using AirPlay or other supported casting options from the playback screen. And that's how to use Amazon Music on iPhone.